Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna discuss why this holiday season is gonna be very difficult for all of us, and why it has reached to this level. So I'm gonna discuss my opinion, so do not take it too much seriously. So guys, if I'm looking here in Canada, like severe snowstorm warnings have been raised, so definitely we'll be blanketed with snow by this weekend. So just before Christmas, this is not something people would like. I know people enjoying snow, but when there's too much of snow, it's problematic. And then at Toronto and Vancouver airports, you know what's going on at Vancouver airport. People are just stranded there, and too many flights cancelled, and people are really struggling. And the same, or at least similar situation may happen here in Toronto because of this snowstorm warning, where a lot of flights can be cancelled, people get stranded. It's too bad that may happen. I'm not gonna blame anyone because sometimes calamities go out of control. But yes, people are gonna be subjected to very difficult and tough times, no doubt. Coming to the other reasons that I see that this year wasn't good when we discuss about economics, because because of high inflation, people have to spend more, and that inflation still moves up here. So in organizing Christmas parties, Christmas dinner, Christmas gifts, many people are going to find it really hard because of a major expense that they are already spending on food and groceries. A lot of people have, even those who have registered themselves for food banks, do you really think they can spend a lot on Christmas activities? I don't think so. It's not going to be easy. Then apart from that, like health reasons, healthcare is like a very difficult phase going on because of various respiratory illnesses that we see. Hospitals are full, many hospitals are running even beyond capacity. And now when the Christmas is approaching, walk-in clinics and other small scale healthcare settings would be closed, right, for a day or two, considering these holidays. So that is where people may find it even more difficult, because there are some conditions which could be like very painful for the patient, and they may need some assistance sooner than later. But those situations might be handled at a clinic. Like suppose you have a fall, right, you have not broken any bones, you don't have fracture, but it's paining a lot, so you can see a physician to get consultation, and it can be done at a walk-in clinic. But when the walk-in clinic is not available during the holidays, where are they going to head? They're going to go to the emergency room, and that's going to increase the wait time even higher, because lot of healthcare staff would be off as well, and we cannot blame them. It's not possible. So this is something that is coming to us. And it's not just about Canada. Around the world, we have major energy crisis going on in Europe, financial crisis, other things going on, and on top of that, COVID cases rising in certain parts of the world. That is also going to be a big worriedness, like how people are going to manage through this. 2022, this year in the month of March, when mask mandates were removed, things were back to normal in most of the settings. But now we don't know. I don't want to say something at this time because I really don't know, and I don't want to create any misinformation through my channel. So I want to refrain from saying anything until I have good information from legitimate sources, because it's time of social media. Anybody can say anything they want without any validation, but I'm not one of them, so I won't say like that. So definitely this holiday season is very difficult. People are struggling, everyone is struggling, be it healthcare, be it um, financially, be it other services. People are struggling, and this snowstorm is adding on top of that. So this year holiday season is gonna be very difficult, no doubt. But we have to manage with what it is. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.